Calls to the NHS 111 helpline could be answered by robots within the next 2 years, a leaked report suggests. NHS England says it is likely smartphones will become the primary method of accessing health services. By 2020, nearly 16 million queries may be processed by algorithms rather than phone operators, the report adds. Yet, human staff will not done away with entirely, as the system is thought to transfer callers to appropriate people once the gist of the complaint has been established. In addition to robotic 111 recipients, 25% of NHS such calls will be logged online next year, rising to one-third by 2020, according to the report, which is dated last month. Advertising in Read invented by Teeds. This controversial move is being introduced to ease overstretched NHS staff's workloads after 1 in 5 non-emergency callers gave up on the busiest day over the New Year period as a record numbers of calls came in, according to official figures. Yet some are concerned this may affect people without internet access, such as the elderly. +1 of guide.d. equals I8AC4E212F0D26D4SRC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pix/2018/01622/09/487189000057852960223 image A3_16613952970.jpg height equals 423 width equals 634 alt equals calls to the NHS 111 helpline could be answered by robots within the next 2 years. Stock, class equals blocks bordering share, greater than. How will robots answer 111 calls? It is thought robots will respond to non-emergency 111 calls by asking people to describe the nature of their problem. Although unclear, the computer system may then pick up on keywords and phrases, which will prompt it to ask more specific questions. Depending on the complaint, callers may be put through to a healthcare professional, told to go to hospital, or given general advice. Should be a win-win. The digital service will be rolled out across England by the end of 2018, where 16 million non-emergency calls will be dealt with digitally, The Telegraph reported. Patients will either be given automated advice, offered a call back, or connected straight to a GP inspired by Australian systems. Such models could effectively solve 33% of calls. In the future, the model will also be set up to 999 ambulance services, according to the report, which was leaked to the Health Service Journal. An NHS England spokesman said, NHS 111 Online offers an additional route for urgent medical advice as an extra option. If it frees up time for staff to spend with those patients who do prefer a direct conversation, that should be a win-win. Poor scheme uptake overall. Logging 111 inquiries online was not widely used during its trial period, with just 6% of people using the scheme throughout the 6 months it was tested in West Yorkshire, Suffolk, the West Midlands and North London. Previous research also reveals younger people are more likely to use the online service, with 3/4 of users being under 35 in certain regions. According to the report, the online method of logging 111 calls is safe.